backward mechanism, then once again selecting mechanism. Now what we are doing, we are integrating the topic only. So by default आपकी playlist में दिख जाएगा आपको there is a lab available. Because there are variety of the labs attached to the topics majorly. It's all conceptual learnings. So it will come in your playlist, including your Hindi, English or Maths, games also, which you remember there was a cricket challenge, B-line, Blaster Stone, Bubble Babble, 4 games. So these will all incline in your respective playlist right now. If you want to search, because we are doing it as an integral part right now. Suppose I want to do a kind of a search related to Suppose I want to find a game related to conjunctions. I can do this also. I just have to log in, come into my respective search, that is your library. You search it, you will find everything as in components of conjunctions based on the search. You will find games also. So right now it is getting integrated here, but we are integrating in the playlist also. So I can open it up. It will have a game. So I think it's getting integrated, and you can open up in the whiteboard directly, or you can add in your playlist also. So it will take time because it's a buffered one. It's coming on. So all the integration is happening in your playlist. Otherwise, always the content related search with the help of galleries available to us. We can do it anytime. It's okay. It's all okay. So I'm just skipping it right now because we have a kind of a playlist which will have 2D, 3D assets, all activities, exercises, quizzes, everything in a single line and a single play. So that you can always do an access to it without going out of classes anywhere. So it will come out. Yes. Any other query you have?
Home assignment teacher can do from home assignment.
We will integrate with the help of learning stack. That integration is not here right now, but it will be integrated in that.
So we're looking at the test where do teachers do each activity. So inside the classroom, this is to teach. If teachers start using this to correct assignments, everybody will be able to see. So we have your assignment correction and all of that on your phone and on your laptop. We don't want it here because then everybody will see.
No, what I want to do is that immediately the teacher can select a question and right from here, from the class itself, you can send it to as a home assignment.
Got it, got it.
The teachers
From the
can
place
select the
here.
question from here itself or as well as from home assignment. So he need not have to shift somewhere and go somewhere.
Yes. That's what we talked about, the learning stack. One is already with the help of the application which we are talking for the teachers, which is always a teacher connector. As you have given this input, you just thought about it.
Okay, so please add this one.
Directly from the classroom, the assignments and the test.
Second thing, I want to ask you that after, for example, the assignment may contain multiple choice questions, then short answers, long answers. So, is there any facility that the student from home they can type in all their answers and that will come as an assignment?
So like
For example, teachers are giving their questions. So these questions will be sent to the student. Student will answer the question. They have to write some their answer. And then screenshot has to be uploaded. Student can type in their answer. Question paper. And so that can directly proceed as an assignment. Future. So the idea is you have to write on the paper directly. That will improve their typing habits.
That's a very important point of what I have received as a feedback especially from the teachers across the schools. I'm just sharing that whenever we give this kind of an objective type or subjective type of question where they have to write so much, rather than typing, let them have a habit of writing and clicking an image and sending. Otherwise, ChatGPT will be an answer. It will be a strategic answer by default, and I think it will be copy pasted everywhere. So the best part is you write it somewhere, click an image, paste it somewhere. That could be a provision as compared to a normal typing.
सर दूसरों की इमेजेस को भी वो लोग अपलोड कर देते हैं, जैसे किसने होमवर्क किया उससे ले लिया।
मैम देखिए, see, technology has its own. मैम, I believe पेंडेमिक में ये बहुत हुआ है. कॉपी पेस्ट. मैंने लिखा है